through grace and resilience. It teaches us to wait for the right moment and to appreciate the journey as much as the destination. So, now let us reflect on how patience is an essential quality that can have numerous benefits in our daily lives.
In relationship, patience is an essential component of relationship. It allows us to approach conflicts and challenges with understanding and compassion rather than reacting impulsively or becoming angry. By practicing patience in relationship, we can improve communication, strengthen our connection with others, and resolve conflicts more effectively. To cultivate patience in relationship, it is important to practice active listening, take time to understand the perception of others, and communicate openly and honestly. By incorporating these strategies into our interaction with our loved ones, we can foster more positive and fulfilling relationships. In short, patience is an invaluable tool for maintaining happy relationships and resolving conflicts.
Patience in daily life. Patience is a valuable virtue that can greatly improve our mental and physical health. In the fast-paced world we live in, it is very easy to become overwhelmed and stressed by the demands and responsibilities of daily life. However, fulfilling our responsibilities with patience can help us manage our stress and anxiety and improve our overall sense of well-being.
Patience in personal growth and career. Patience is a vital attribute for achieving long-term goals and overcoming obstacles and setbacks. It allows us to persevere through challenges and stay focused on our goals rather than being discouraged or giving up. By practicing patience in our career and personal growth, we can navigate the challenges of development and reach our desired destination. To cultivate patience in our pursuit of success and personal growth, it is important for us to set realistic expectations, celebrate small victories, and manage to reduce our stress. By incorporating these strategies in our daily routine, we can develop the patience and persistence needed to achieve our long-term goals and overcome any obstacles that may come our way. In short, patience is an essential ingredient for our career and personal growth.
Patience for students. In a fast-paced society, patience often seems to be a quality that can be ignored and undervalued. But for students, developing patience is an essential life skill that can significantly affect their success in school and their personal growth. In today's competitive academic environment, students often feel pressure to excel quickly and decisively. However, this mindset can hinder their problem-solving abilities. Cultivating patience enables students to approach challenges with a calm and composed demeanor. Instead of rushing to assignment or giving up a first sign of difficulty, patient students take time to analyze problem thoroughly and consider different perspectives.